Hey everyone, I have an unboxing here today of a guitar that I've been wanting for a while. I used to have one of the older models and I really liked it, however I had to get rid of it for reasons I'm not going to go into in this video. This is, well, obviously, a EVH guitar, which stands for Eddie Van Halen, for those of you who don't know what that is. Now this one is a bit unique because it's got the exotic wood. Most of the time whenever you get a cheaper EVH guitar, they're usually pretty basic. They look good, but they're not really too much to call home about. This one, however, reminded me a lot of the Sterling JP 150 series with the roasted maple neck. Looks like my dog's not happy I got a new guitar. Well, she's just gonna have to deal with it. Ooh. There she is. Let's see what we got here. Ah, styrofoam. Good for the tone. More styrofoam. Cardboard. Now, I'm not expecting a whole lot because this was a blemish special. Looks like we got the Floyd Rose arm, warranty, and does it come with the Allen wrench? It comes with the Allen wrenches. Hell yeah. Okay. So on first impression, it's a really light instrument. Ooh. Oh. You know, when you see that logo, it's going to be a good day. Holy shit. This is even better in person. And this is the blemish model? What the hell's the blemish? Yeah, can't really complain. I like that neck. I really like that neck. Just gonna get rid of that piece of whatever that was. Look at the grain in that. Holy hell. That is gorgeous. In the next video, I'll be doing in about 5 minutes. I'm going to be doing a demo of how it sounds. So far, though, I'm loving this.